In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify store to Instagram Shop. By the end, your products will be synced from Shopify to Instagram so you can tag them in posts and make it easy for customers to buy. First, install the sales channel that powers this connection. In your Shopify admin, head to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels, and open the Shopify App Store. Search for the Facebook and Instagram app by Shopify and install it. Make sure you're logged into the correct Shopify store and that you have permission to add apps. This app is the official bridge between your product catalog and Meta's shopping tools. Once the install finishes, launch the Facebook and Instagram sales channel. Opening it from your apps and sales channels list keeps you inside your Shopify admin so everything stays in one place. The app will guide you with on-screen prompts, and you can always come back here later to manage settings or check status. Next, connect your accounts. You'll link your Instagram account, make sure it's a business or professional account, and your Facebook account. You'll be asked to grant permissions so Shopify can access your pages, catalog, and Instagram profile. Double check that you're using the right login for the brand you want to sell under, and confirm any prompts to connect your Facebook page that represents your business on Instagram. Now set up your shop. Follow the prompts to sync products from Shopify to Instagram. You can typically choose which products or collections to include, and the app will create or connect a product catalog for you. This is a great moment to review your product titles, descriptions, pricing, images, and inventory in Shopify because those details flow into Instagram. If you sell variants, make sure sizes, colors, and SKUs are accurate. Also confirm that your shipping and return information in Shopify is up to date, since that helps with approval. When you're ready, submit for review. Meta will review your account and catalog before enabling shopping features. Reviews often complete within a few days, and you'll see the status right inside the Facebook and Instagram channel. If something needs attention, the app will indicate what to fix so you can resubmit quickly. Once approved, you can start selling. You'll be able to tag products in Instagram posts, stories, and reels, and shoppers can view details and check out directly through your connected shop. Keep your catalog fresh in Shopify, and your tags will stay current automatically. That's it. Your store is now connected and ready to sell on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.